Hey guys, Rob and Melissa here with Flea Market Flipper.
Welcome.
Guys, we are stoked for this announcement today. It has been a long time coming. We cannot wait to share this news with you.
We've been working on it for a little while to get it to you, so we're really excited about it.
And we got a free giveaway tonight, so you guys are not going to want to miss this. We are super excited to tell you guys. We're going to do a Facebook Live later on, so yeah, we'll announce it on there as well. But some of you guys might not have known, or you might have known, we did a shoe challenge in January with our members-only group inside of Flea Market Flipper.
Yeah, it was a 30-day challenge, trying to see who could resell the most shoes in that 30 days. So,
buy shoes wherever you could get them, Goodwill, Salvation Army, whatever it is, flea markets, yard sales, wherever you could get them and then resell them and see how much profits you could actually make. That was our goal in January. We had some amazing people jump in and join us, and it was a lot of fun.
And a lot of interest in learning about the shoes, for sure. So that was really exciting.
And one person stuck out more than anybody, and that is a guy that we like to talk about tonight is Bo. Bo is in Flea Market Flipper. He is amazing. He's the shoe whisperer. So we actually have joined superpowers with Bo, and we decided this is the announcement, drum roll. We have decided to launch a shoe workshop.
Yes, awesome. I cannot even imagine you at all.
So I crack up my wife. What can I say?
What am I gonna do?
We just got finished with a 6-week workshop, guys. It was amazing. It was a little bit different. You know, we changed gears. It was more towards freight shipping, teaching people how to ship stuff on larger stuff on pallets and stuff like that. It was a 6-week workshop. It was amazing. We got some great results. We got some great feedback from people.
People learned a lot of stuff they didn't know, which is awesome.
Yeah, and that's our goal. Our goal with workshops, we want to do more in 2019. We want to throw out some more workshops, teaching people, you know, what to do, how to get better at what we do, or you know, how to get better at flipping and learning this this career or this profession that we do. So,
but now we're taking it from a big pallet to a small little shoe. So since we had so many people that wanted to learn, and Bo was giving information like crazy in our group, and it was really awesome, we decided to partner up with him, and Rob and Bo are going to be the instructors of this workshop. And Bo flips some crazy shoes. Like $200 to $300 is fairly regular. Yeah. But everything like $50 to $200 is regular too. And but they're all like a $5 to $10 investment. Yeah. So it's not even. Anybody can do it, guys. It's not a big investment.
The box is, you know, a shoe size box. It's not that big. And if you can start with shoes, you can jump in and you can start going, the sky's the limit of what you're able to flip. So that's why we think this is going to be a super beneficial workshop to get into, get involved in. You guys are going to have Bo and I, we're superpowers together. Our flipping, our knowledge on shoes, learning all that kind of stuff. You guys, we're going to be going over some awesome stuff. Where to buy shoes, what shoes to look for. You guys might have gone into Goodwill before, looked on top of the racks and just been overwhelmed. Oh my goodness, there's like hundreds of shoes. Where do I even start? Well, that's what we're going to get into with Bo, how he actually does it, how he makes some great money on these shoes. We're going to talk to him. You guys are going to be able to interact with us live, to ask us questions. It's going to be a 4-week workshop, so and we're going to do it one night a week, hour and a half, whatever it runs into. We're going to do that for 4 weeks straight.
You get the replays. You have access to all the replays after. You can go back and check them out. You never lose those. You'll have access to them for life. So, but the giveaway.
This is the best part, guys. Check it out. Melissa and I were at the flea market last weekend. As we're walking out, I look down on one of the vendors and I see, guess what? A shoe shining kit. So I was like, man, we're getting ready to roll this thing out. Let's go ahead and snag this bad boy. Check it out. It's a pretty sweet box. It's got a little drawer down here to put some stuff in. You open it up. It was brand new. They opened, let me see if I can tilt it enough. They've got brushes. They got all kinds of little towels and little things in here. So anyways, we saw this and I was like, dude, how awesome is this? This is perfect for rolling out the shoe workshop. So not only are we going to give away this shoe,
shine kit.
Shine kit, detail kit, whatever it is, we're also got a $50 gift card to Goodwill. So that is going with it. You guys are going to get the detail, the shoe shine.
Gonna get it.
Sorry,
so
one person. We're going to do a drawing in 1 week.
Yep, in 1 week we're going to do a drawing. So anybody who enrolls between now and next Tuesday night is going to be in the drawing, and we're going to do the announcement live on Facebook.
Sweet!
So for this, you're going to get the $50 gift card and the shoe shine kit.
That's it.
You can use it to buy some shoes and get your money like skyrocket.
Super quick.
So
that's a cool thing, guys.
5 to 10 times your money is what our goal is for sure.
Yeah, we have a couple different reasons why we're doing this. Like we've kind of gone over them. You guys, getting into an investment of $2, $5, $10 is so easy to do. And when you have the potential, when you have the knowledge of what to look for, what sells, you can multiply that money like 10 times so quick and easy. That's our goal, is actually to get people involved into it, and then branch out and do other kind of stuff. But shoes is a great way to start out the year, actually jumping into flipping. So we figured this would be a great and amazing a workshop to actually throw together. So
we're really excited about it.
Super excited!
And even though the giveaway is only good for the next week,
yep.
I mean, the workshop, what you're going to get out of it is you can get your money back in no time.
Yeah.
So like we said, that's our goal.
Yep.
So, but be sure to register before Tuesday night.
The link's below.
Yep,
yes.
the link will be below in the description. So
hit the link. You guys can also go, when you go to the link, you'll be able to see some of the amazing shoes that Bo has flipped. Some of them, I think the most expensive shoe he flipped was it a gator?
Yeah, it was
a gator leather, a gator skin, or something like that. I don't know, something crazy, guys. Over $600 he sold that joker for, and he paid $2 for the shoes. So how can you go wrong with that? So Bo's been doing it. He knows, like I said, he knows some amazing stuff. We want to get into his mind. We want to get the tips. We want to get them to you guys so you guys can do the same thing. So that's why we put everything together for you guys. So.
Yeah.
Anything else to add?
Nope, that's it.
All right, guys, you rock! We cannot wait to see you in this workshop. So any questions, don't hesitate. Comment below. Email Melissa or myself, Rob at Flea Market Flipper, Melissa at Flea Market Flipper. We're excited to get back to you. We're excited to get any answers that you guys need before you jump into the workshop. We cannot wait to actually interact with you guys and do this workshop with you guys.
Yeah, that's it.
You guys rock! See